So we're back with a brand new item to unbox today, and I'm really excited about this. This is kind of a birthday gift to myself, but I'm really excited. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. So if you've been really enjoying the new show on Amazon for Fallout, then this text here might mean something to you. Bethesda, in direct connection with the show, released a brand new Pip-Boy. Wow, they really made sure that was safe in travel. This is the Pip-Boy 3000 Mark V. Yeah, operating instructions wrapped up really nicely. Again, more insulation to keep this safe. So this is the stand you can use to basically turn your Pip-Boy into a clock if you want to, or just a display. And then here is the actual Pip-Boy. Wow. So if I remember correctly, yeah, that's where you store the power for recharging it. Adjustable knob here and here. Adjustable knob here, here, and here. Nice. Please update your Pip-Boy at theone.co/Pip-Boy. Latch here releases. The metal latch. The exterior here and here are not metal, but the whole front piece here is metal, and it is really cool. So the way this works is my wrist might just be too big. Oh, that's sad. My wrist is a little bit too big for this Pip-Boy, so I can't be wearing it. That's sad. Oh, look at that. Okay. Battery life is about half. It says my status, I look like a ghoul. Congratulations, you're staying in 33. That's really cool. Your clock.
Hey yo, this is DJ Carl at KPSS, broadcasting from the base of the once beautiful Hollywood Hills.
That's really cool. That's really cool. There we go. That's how you do that one. You can cycle through the displays. Oh no, I'm mixed up the Vault 32. That's cool. Marriage application approved. It's a little sad they only have the one radio station, but it is specifically supposed to be for Fallout's a TV show, so that makes sense they put the TV show specifically radio station on there. I do like how you have this little knob here. It really does nothing except for adjusting that. This knob looks to be just for fun also. This is your power button. This is an instant flashlight button. And this right here, along with this one and this one, are your interface buttons. But yeah, I mean, my only setback on this is that it is a little bit too small, personally. Just a little bit, which is a little upsetting. But still, it is a really solid, well-made Pip-Boy. And I'm super happy and proud of it with everything else, just except the actual arm width in it. Because it is just a hair too small. With that latch the way it is, I just can't get it in there. Maybe with the help of another person I could. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's real tight, but hey, you know what? I got it on. Now I'm a Vault Dweller. Hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself. It's got a really cool nylon power cord for connecting to your computer. And it'll feel like you're doing, like you're connecting it to a vault door. You do have a lot of really cool displays here to show off as well. Showing you it in here. that is the way you would display it if you're going to put it like on a shelf or on a bedstand. Really cool way of displaying it. And then you can easily still plug in your power on the backside here and then have that cord kind of go through. So yeah, you're just mounting it into the actual port where you plug in the power and let it rest. Really solid. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself if it's still available. Otherwise, check out how cool this thing looks. And don't forget to support Vaultec. See you guys next time. Bye.